Hey guys, I'm the Maha Mechanic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your AC if it only works on high. Doesn't work on other settings besides the highest one. So, let's get into it. So, today I'll be working on a 1998 Ford F-150, but this applies to all cars, but the position of the part that we're going to be replacing may be different. So like I said, the blower only turns on if it's on the highest setting. None of these settings work. That's the same for heat as well. So after some diagnostics, I figured out that the part that's wrong is the blower motor resistor, and here's what that looks like. Just like this. Now it could be corroded, but it's gone bad, and that's what's causing it only to work on high. The resistor reduces flow to the motor, so you can change the speed of the motor, but since it's not resisting any flow, it can only work on high. So now I'm going to show you how to replace this. So if you come underneath the glove box area over here in the passenger footwell, you can see this little tannish box right here that this wire from the blower motor is going to. That right there, right up there, that's our blower motor resistor. So there's two bolts holding it in, and we just need to take those out. So here's a better look at it. It's right next to here's the blower motor right here. Here's the little air box. You come underneath it, and right up here, right behind it, that's our resistor. So we can unplug it right from there, and then there's two bolts, one over here and one over here. So let's get to removing those. So I just removed the two bolts, and here's our old resistor. As you can see, it's rusted out in multiple spots. So let's unplug it and plug in our new resistor. So here's our old resistor compared to our new one. You see such a difference that is. So the reason why the fan only works on high is because this resistor went bad, as you can see here. A resistor's main job is to reduce the amount of current flowing to like a motor or something like that. And in this case, it only worked on high because it wasn't working and it wasn't restricting any flow. But since you have different speeds that you can spin the fan, this resistor gives the fan less power, so it spins slower. And this new resistor will allow us to achieve a lower speed on the blower motor. So let's get this installed. So grab the connector, and then you can plug it back in, just like that. Now that it's in, we can replace the two bolts that we took out and mount it back up in there. Now there's the new one reinstalled right there. So let's go see if our AC works. So let's turn it on. I can already hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it already working on low. Yep, it's working. Yep, and high is working. All the variable modes are working. So that's another job well done. If you found this video informative, please be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more. No matter your experience or your skill level, remember, keep on improving.